Have you ever wondered how artists make a simple letter look like it's actually standing on a piece of paper? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to draw a realistic 3D letter F using only a pencil, ruler, eraser, and paper. This lesson is simple enough for beginners, but also a great exercise for anyone who wants to improve their drawing skills. So grab your supplies, and let's create an amazing 3D illusion together. Let's begin with a bold and clean letter F. Use a ruler to keep every line straight and make sure the proportions look balanced. Don't rush this part because a clean outline is the foundation of every great 3D drawing. If your outline looks good, the rest of the process becomes much easier. Now let's turn this flat letter into a three-dimensional object. Extend every edge in the same direction using parallel lines. Keep the spacing equal all the way around. Once you've connected the edges, your letter will instantly start looking like a solid block. This simple perspective trick creates the illusion of depth. Now it's time to make the drawing come alive. Imagine the light source shining from the upper left corner. The top surfaces should stay bright, while the sides facing away from the light become darker. Use soft pencil strokes and build the shading gradually. Avoid pressing too hard. Instead, create smooth layers of graphite to achieve a clean and realistic finish. Good shading is what makes a simple drawing look professional. Now let's add the final shadow. The shadow gives the impression that the letter is sitting above the paper instead of being drawn on. Keep the shadow darkest near the base of the letter. As it moves away, make it lighter and softer. Blend the edges smoothly for a natural look. This final detail creates a powerful 3D illusion. And you've successfully transformed a simple letter F into a realistic 3D drawing using only basic tools. The more you practice, the better your lines, shading, and perspective will become. H, or maybe your own name in 3D. Thank you so much for watching.